Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin, and let's see Bitcoin with this analysis where we're gonna close our daily today. So basically we got our confirmation for a bull rally, and we saw of course a direct rejection towards the downside, which is totally normal. And of course, don't think that if we just take this area, that means we're gonna rally directly. So definitely we have finished an impulse with it, a wave 5. This is exactly what I was expecting, and we took the high here. So that is very nice to see that, of course, this impulse is done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also it didn't finish just like that, but it took with it the confirmation for a bull rally, meaning at least we have one possibility out, which was the triangle. This is finally out. So we were expecting a triangle here. If you remember, I removed this because it's not possible. The wave C took the wave A, so one probability less. That's awesome. Now, basically, we still have one probability less for a bearish scenario. Meaning, what if the wave C is playing? Meaning, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, this is an impulse finished here. Don't forget that an impulse finished by taking the high, especially in a regular flat, it can simply take a short wave C, meaning just taking the high here and then start the move towards the downside. So we gotta be careful. It's not totally done yet. Now we need an answer, of course, in the next corrective wave or the impulse. So to make it simple, how do we know we are still bullish or bearish? In a simple way, 3 waves down and then pushing for higher. If we take this level here, that means we are corrective and we're still potentially looking for higher prices. Unless, of course, it can still unfold one more wave as a wave 5. So this is, of course, not 100%. You still need a wave 4 longer than the wave 2 as well to get out of a diagonal, right? So which is a wave 5. Once the wave 4 becomes longer than wave 2 as well and taking this low here, that means, okay, we are bullish, right? So this is the signal that we are looking for it. In case we are 5 motive waves, clear impulse toward the downside, well, that will be, of course, a task for us. And then it can be, of course, a zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What if another 1, 2 here? Or what if also a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, since we took the high here, as a diagonal is unfolding. And that means a large wave 2, that it might be unfolding also there. So we're gonna have to test this. However, once we get an impulse, a red flag raised up here, right? A red flag meaning there is a probability whether we are in a deep correction, which is a zigzag, or a wave 3 that it might continue toward the downside, taking the low here, we're still bearish, and etc. We're looking for a continuation for a bear market, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which I doubt it so much, guys. Very, very long wave 4 in time for such a wave 2, right? So that's impossible almost. So highest probability here, whether we are corrective in a shallow wave 2 again, we continue higher, and we might be here in a potential 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, which I doubt it. Higher probability, well, my only problem with it, with the diagonal here, is that this wave 1 is somehow shorter than the wave 3 in a little bit there, yeah, which I don't like it. Yeah, so that is my problem. Therefore, we can take it, of course, as 112 here. This can be a part of the major wave 3, so meaning 1, 2, 3 here, pushing directly towards the upside, so that's fine, meaning as a major double 1, 2, we're talking here that is just 2. And then having wave 3, the wave 3 anyway, it needs to be an impulse. So that might be it. So yeah, basically I would say that things are looking good for bullish for the market. The market, I mean, I'm normally not a directive person. I don't seek after a direction, bullish or bearish, because I use both of them every day. But the thing is that I think that the crypto market needs kind of like a pump, guys. We need a pump for the crypto market because the crypto market is suffering so much, especially the altcoins are just has already melted. Yeah, so they are already in the low, in the bottom low. Yeah, so that is not really good. So if Bitcoin is going to push further down, that means, of course, it's horrible for the whole crypto market. Well, I mean, it's not healthy anymore. This is what I'm saying. So we need a pump, of course, for the crypto market, honestly, to survive this market, guys. I mean, it doesn't matter anymore if we make gains with buying or selling, but now we need to survive the market. Yeah, like I mean, the altcoins are really in a danger zone. So we don't want some major coins to die as well, such as SUI, Render, FET. Those are somehow some interesting coins. I know that you call it all like bad coins right now, but because of the price. But I mean, at the end, I mean, it's us who decide what to do with the market, right? I mean, us, whales, everyone. So who's selling is doing this to this market. So yeah, it is time, of course, I would say it is time to push for higher a little bit for the crypto market. We suffered so much. Bitcoin has reached the 60K. I mean, it's already a very interesting price for Bitcoin here, 60K. Yeah, so and this is not finished bear market. I mean, this is only the wave A, and I believe whatever we're gonna get within this pump is gonna be a wave B or an X, and then pushing downward. Yep. So we still open for a 52K. I would say 56K minimum. This is a 38. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. So we gotta, but we need this pump. Yeah, this is what I mean with with Bitcoin. I mean, because it's gonna lead the market, of course, guys. So we're still open for 53K anyway, but we need somehow just to tell the market that hey, the crypto market is still there, is still alive. The altcoins is still working fine, and they can pump again, and so on, guys. We need this. And then wave C, okay, can unfold later on. That's fine. Yep. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.